like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We have the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. We do these walk around videos of inventory coming in. Sorry, there's a little noise in the background. We do these walk around videos for our clients to provide transparency on the vehicle conditions of our inventory. As you can see, this is a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT-8. Sustained front end collision damage. It has some little damage to the rear also. Need a front bumper assembly, right headlight, grille, hood is okay. That's it for the nose. We'll check the year in a moment. Has some rear end collision damage here. You need the rear bumper support, rear body panel, sit very low. Got some damage to the tailgate in both headlights. A little wrinkle in the quarter here, but it looks like it's repairable. Check the year. I believe it's a 2016 from the production date. It has 60,677 miles. All the airbags are intact. Really nice inside. Have some loose parts in the back. The interior is in really good shape. Really nice car. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.